Let's learn how to do this video. First, click here at the Edit tab. Now in this section, click at Open Effects. Click in the search icon and then search for key. At 3D Keyer, click and drag it into your video. Now, right here, click at Effects. Click in this downward arrow and select Open Effects Overlay. Now, draw a line into where the green screen is. This process can happen multiple times if it chops off your subject. If that happens, just redo these steps until you feel the result is good enough. After that, scroll down this section until you find the output. Click here and select Alpha Highlight Black and White. Now, click here at Matte Finesse and then slide up the clean black until these white portions of the video disappear. But be careful, do not go very high with these values, since it can crop off your subject. After that, go back to Final Composite and to finalize, slide this value up to the maximum to remove green reminiscent from the borders of the dog. Now, all you need to do is drag your background into your timeline, and that's pretty much it. Here's the final result.